Aegean Airlines, one of Europe's leading carriers, was hit with a $2 million Oracle Java licensing claim. Why? Because Java was powering everything behind the scenes: booking systems, flight operations, crew scheduling, back-office processes, the entire IT backbone of a modern airline, and Oracle knew it. They launched an audit, scanned virtual environments, flagged Java installs everywhere. Then came the invoice, $2 million due to unauthorized Java SE usage. Aegean called Redress Compliance. We stepped in fast with a complete Java advisory response, identified and categorized every Java deployment, reviewed the environments Oracle claimed were licensable, mapped entitlements, legacy usage rights, and exemptions, challenged the entire scope of the claim. We coordinated with Aegean's legal, procurement, and IT teams, breaking down Oracle's assumptions and rebuilding the licensing picture from the ground up. No noise, no drama, just facts. And the final result? Zero paid. The $2 million vanished. No subscriptions, no lock-in, no compromise. Now Aegean Airlines has full clarity on where Java lives, what's covered and what's not, with controls in place to prevent future risk. If you're in transportation, aviation, or logistics, you're running Java, and that makes you a target. Redress Compliance gives you the tools and the defense before the audit hits your inbox, because once Oracle shows up, you're already playing catch-up.